we are up, dressed, getting ready, getting sorted, because we're checking out today. But we are going to the castle and then driving home, so lunch here just for the gardens. We technically have the castle and the gardens were there. Oh. So let's finish getting ready.
I don't have a bodysuit.
And pack up the car. Oh, that's great lighting. 1 second. But yeah, we are ready. We're packed. We just need to finish doing.
Need to make this bed.
Need to make the bed. Finish doing the dishes. And pack the car. And then go. We have little ties. Oh, we've done a tidy up. But yeah, checkout's at 10. It's now 1:45. So we're on time. We're not late.
Don't say that yet.
Well, that is us ready. We have done a dad sweep. Nothing left.
We didn't put anything in drawers, did we?
No. But yeah, I might still want their apples and bananas to take. Goodbye. We're back at the car park. So
sent Jenny and Sim a message.
we have, well, Hannah has, let's go. Will happen everywhere Hannah goes. It's Goose. Everywhere Hannah goes, there's scaffolding.
Everywhere.
1 second, I'll just wait till this tree passes by and I'll show you what we are looking at. Scaffolding!
This is just this isn't the door, it's Harry Potter. The door is the door that goes
on. Broom training. Oh, we've just missed one. Oh, there's lots of adults on that, so that's great.
We'll do the next. What time is it at?
I took a photo. What was it? Oh, we've just come out the castle with everything. We weren't allowed to film, but it was lovely. Oh, okay. Just wondering what you were looking at. Oh, I'm very jealous. I really want a broom. Got broom training. Oh, that must be outside of the chapel. With all the things. This looks great. We're doing the dragon quest.
Except for dragons.
Wow. What is this? Oh. We've been in the Dragon Quest once again. No filming was allowed. But weird. It was good for kids. It was great for kids. Adults, a bit short. Actually, I could. Do you want to go for a snack now or?
No, I think.
No, later. But we are booked. We'll get one later. Really good for tea. We are booked in for the broomstick training. And we also. Oh, nice little tour. We are also going to go on. Yeah, the on location tour, which. 12.
Definitely.
Yeah, which is 11:20 now, so we've got to go to that one. Yeah, I'm actually quite hungry.
Are you?
Yeah.
I'm not waiting for these cars, isn't it?
We have found the cafe. Of course, just a Diet Coke, some kids screaming, some kind of pastry turnover, and
the chip smells good.
Oh yeah, there's a fish and chip shop and it smells stunning, and a Victoria sponge cake. But me and Hannah are half and everything, so which is nice. So I'll have a taste of this. Be nice if it was a bit warmer.
Yeah,
but it's nice.
It's melted. It's in the bin. Do you want any more?
Oh no, I'm okay, thank you. It's tour time, and it's on location. Tour has finished. It was great. Would recommend if you're coming to the castle. Oh god, you can't see me. Now we're waiting 13 minutes to do Quidditch. Look, them all. Very excited. This is cool, but we see the price.
And I think it's not that good. Then bangles.
Say goodbye.
Gryffindor bangle.
Oh, the tremolo, what did you call them? Oh, look, they're like Cartier ones, but not Cartier.
Nothing like Cartier.
It's got a bit windy, don't know if you can hear.
That's nice.
We've finished in the castle. Off to the car. Pop in some Mackies for some of the new food items that they have in store.
Having dinner.
Oh yeah, and then headed home. Yeah, actually, look how cute this is. Oh yeah. So that's where the Transformers movie was filmed. Some explosions there. Yeah, yeah. I'm pointing there, Hannah.
You're pointing there.
No, I think.
And there's Mark Wahlberg was there.
Yeah. If you do ever come to Alnwick and go to the castle, the film locations tour
With Brad.
with Brad. Brad was great. Great tour. Very informative. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're Macca's, and my number is this. I'll show you what in a minute. I got the new stuff. Oh,
I'm gonna finish mine. Come on, I believe in you.
the water, Coke, mozzarella bites. Hannah's dying to have one. With a tomato dip. You get 5.
Ooh, it's like a Chinese tomato. You were getting the takeaway.
Ooh. Lovely. Now the new grilled Caesar wrap. Not much filling in it.
No, there never is. I don't want their wraps anymore. Can I see?
Trying it, bacon.
It's like a grilled chicken, huh?
Right. Now it's the chocolate pie. Oh, it's hot.
Well, yeah, it's a pie. Oh no, that looks like that looks like I'd have to run to the toilet as soon as I ate that. The them bits freaked me out, the bubbly bits. I do. Can I have a taste?
Yeah.
That would be the tiniest taste.
Come on.
Oh, there's no sauce on that.
I'll follow.
I'll dip it in.
Put in.
Always.
We are in the car on the way home.
I'm chucking it down.
And look at this rain.
Can you not remember when we were on the way back from, was it Glasgow or somewhere, and you actually couldn't see in front of the car?
Yeah, it was
on the motorway.
The rain got worse. Hi, just editing the vlog and realised I didn't actually finish it. So it's future me here saying thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be in another video next week because I'm currently a few hours before I go to London for the weekend with the fam, so I'll obviously be taking the camera with me. So I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.